Hello everyone, welcome back to RP Automation. Today we are here with our important and small interview question. It seems like a small, but it's very important during interview. Or normally, if you are trying to work some project or task, that time we are definitely use this action like global value. So this value or this action is very important. In my interview also, this question is asked. So what is global value? Where we can use this value or how we can create global value? So we are trying to solve this question in today's session. So let's start. So global value is like a box where we can store important information that you want to use in different parts of your automation process. So exactly same like a global value. If you want to use this where any single value in so many bots, so that time you can create global value. So it's very important also. We are going to see. So global value is imagine you are working on a robot that does not that does task for you, and sometimes this robot needs to remember things like your username, password, or some number of while it's working. So global value helps to robot remember these things throughout the whole process, no matter what's a step in it. So it's a piece of data like value or information that can be accessed and used at any point in your automation process. You define it once and the robot can use it anywhere. So, global value in automation anywhere is like universal setting that all your bots can use. It's a value that you define once and it stays same unless you change it. So this makes it easy to manage important information that multiple bots needs. So, for example, uh, if you have 5 watts that need to save files in the same folder instead of typing the folder path in every bot, you create a global value. It's call it file path. You can save there or API keys or username, share drive path. So with the folder location, so now all 5 bots can use this file path directly in the folder path changes. You only need to update the global value in one place and all the bots will use new path automatically. So this is reusable part. This is reusable piece of information that saves you time and reduces your exceptions, especially when you are working with multiple bots or changing settings frequently. So it helps to it save our times. If you need to use the same information in different steps, that time it's working very well. So global value is simply a way to store information, important information in one place to that your robot can use at any time throughout the automation process, making your work easy and more efficient. Right. So this is global value information is exactly work like that. And if you want to see where we can create global value, so I'm going to see this also. So manage package, you can see here global value one action is available. So I have click on that global value. So unfortunately, in the community edition, we don't have access to create global value, and in the enterprise we can create global value and we can use this global value anywhere. So in the community we cannot create global value. Like here one plus icon is present. Using that plus icon we are able to create our global value. But in the community there is no access for global value. So that is very simple and very important things, guys. So if you want to need more information for any interview, important interview questions, so comment down below. I will try to make a video on that.